Congratulations on your exciting new door project. Now that we have confirmed your installation date and all the specifics of your project, here is a quick review of what to expect. Your installers will arrive between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m., depending on traffic. Prior to their arrival, please clear any obstacles near the work area to give the installers full access. It would also be a good idea to remove any breakable or valuables on the walls or shelves, as there will be banging and vibrations during your installation. At the completion of the job, payment can be made in the form of check, credit card, or online payment. If you are financing, we will forward the completion certificate over to the finance company. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks for choosing PJ Fitzpatrick for your home improvement needs.